Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special beef fry recipe. This beef fry recipe is very famous in Kerala. Try this beef fry with porotta. You will really love it. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 kg washed and cleaned beef cut into smaller pieces like this. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon Garam Masala Powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 3 chopped green chillies, half cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook on high flame, then 2 whistles on low flame. Cooking time for each cooker will be different. After all the 3 whistles, switch off the flame, but don't open the lid for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid. Beef has cooked well. Now heat it on high flame until excess water has removed. This time, don't close the lid. Now the excess water has gone. Switch off the flame and keep it aside for later use. In a pan, take 4 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 2 sliced onion, some curry leaves, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute the onion for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Saute until the onion becomes translucent. Now add the cooked beef to it. Mix it well. Cook on high flame for 6 minutes. Stir in between every 1 minute. After 6 minutes, add 2 teaspoon pepper powder and 1 tablespoon ghee. Mix it well. Adding ghee is optional, but it gives a very special taste to this beef fry recipe. Cook for 6 minutes on medium flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 6 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Our special beef fry recipe is ready. This beef fry recipe is very famous in Kerala.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.